Today, we are proud to present you a newly designed indoor fitness system that will revolutionize the personal training industry. Introducing Motus Orbit Plus, a new generation of hula hoop.
Wait, why would I need that?
Well, let's go back in time for a bit. The year was 1957. Two American entrepreneurs developed the plastic hula hoop, and just within months, hula hoop mania swept over the globe. However, the enormous popularity of the hula hoop was short-lived. Why is that? First of all, hula hooping is great exercise. It's fun, it's cheap, it's an extremely effective workout that targets directly to your belly fat, and it can be done anywhere. If you manage to do it right. But that should only be the case of the 50s. After more than half a century of technological advancement, a group of die-hard hula hoop fans have come up with a design that will bring the hoop back into the mainstream. Introducing Motus Orbit Plus, a hula hoop that never drops. Unlike traditional hula hoops that require you to have excellent muscle coordination to keep it in place, Motus Orbit Plus is a fit-to-size stationary loop that attaches to your waist and stays there. While the hoop is stationary, what moves is the weight component. As you swing your waist like using a traditional hula hoop, the weight moves along the track, allowing you to train more than 30 core muscles at ease. Now you can go as slow as you want or as fast as you can with the hoop still staying at your waist. What's more amazing is, the inner track of Motus Orbit Plus is adjustable, making it one for all sizes. Its construction-grade, ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene rope is multiple times stronger than a typical polyester rope, meaning that no matter how hard you swing, it will still be safe. The patent-pending, soundproof inside tracking rail is so quiet, allowing you to exercise anywhere. Literally anywhere. And for those who find yourself bad at math, especially when exercising, Motus Orbit Plus custom-made a reverse black LCD display that automatically does all the counting for you. Just like other innovative products, Motus Orbit Plus is designed in California. The prototype has undergone numerous hours of testing and is manufactured in a factory with more than 10 years of experience. It's the year of 2021. Time to say goodbye to the outdated hula hoop. Back this project on Kickstarter now and bring home a new generation of workout. Motus Orbit Plus, the next level hula experience.